Hello, everyone. I just got back from the the mailbox, and the Paradise Fibers came in today. So I am super excited. You guys know I love my Paradise Fibers, and I do have a discount code and affiliate link down below. So let's see what is in this month. They do it every 2 months, and you always get a fun box, themed box of stuff. So our only clue right now is this red box. Sometimes get a clue from the outside. So let's see. Cozy fall vibes. I like the idea, the sound. I like the sound of this. Fall is arriving fast, and with it, mitten weather. Around the island northwest, fingerless gloves, the inland. Words. Around the inland northwest, fingerless gloves are practically the uniform of autumn, right up there with steaming mugs and crunchy leaves. This month's custom blends are designed to wrap you in warmth, color, and a little bit of luxury. Spin them up, stitch them out, and let every draft and row remind you why fall is the coziest season of all. Like the sound of this one. So here's the inside of our box. And we've got our little bag of extra goodies and big bag of fiber and another bag that's just feels a little bit smaller. And okay, let's see, set the box out of the way. Stay. All right, this month's box, 5 ounces of caramel. Caramel is smooth, golden, and rich, just like its namesake. This indulgent blend of camel, I love camel, tussa silk, and alpaca spins like a dream, creating a yarn with warmth, shine, and irresistible softness, perfect for mitts, scarves, or anything that deserves a sweet, buttery glow. So we got 5 ounces of caramel. So I think that's going to be this one. Ooh, look at that. I seriously wish there was Feel-O-Vision. Oh, that feels so nice. Look at, I mean, just in its fleecy form, look at the drape in that. That is going to spin into some beautiful yarn. Oh my goodness. Okay, seriously, look at, because I really need another thing to do, right? Okay, 7 ounces of Gala apple. Gala apple, crisp, vibrant, and full of orchard energy. This blend of dyed Shetland and Tussa silk balances earthy strength with silky drape. The result, a fiber that's as lively and colorful as a fall harvest and just as satisfying to spin. So that's in this one. Ooh, this is 7 ounces. Look at that little stripes of, it's in a sense almost like a caramel apple because you have these little brown stripes. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, and if you do something with the 2 of these together, oh, those colors look amazing together. Oh my goodness. I want to sit and spin. I'm getting it all over me. I don't care. Okay, exclusive Gala apple stitch marker. Luscious, nutritious, stitches auspicious. There we go. Cute little apple. Okay, and then a wooden Eunice keychain, handy sheepy charm, also rumored to ward off vampires. So you have two holes here, which would be like a diz. And then I know what this is because I've made these. You guys have probably seen mine. Of course, it's not sitting here right now, but when you're working on your spinning wheel, you and you walk away from it, you hook this onto your yarn and it keeps it from untwisting. Twist tamer. Sweet Sheep Sticker, your fiber mascot for the season. Perfect for water bottles, notebooks, or spinning wheels. How cute. Little thing of apples. That is so stinking cute. And I love my stickers. I have most all of my stickers are on the travel case that my e-spinner is in. So I generally stick them on there, but I have been running out of room on that. So they've been going to other places. I have 2 water bottles full. And then I have a little toolbox thing that has my crochet hooks and knitting needles. And I've been putting them on there. And then I started putting some onto my notebook that I keep track of all my projects in. So I don't know where this one will end up yet. It's small enough it might be able to go onto something that already has a bunch on it. But it's super cute. Super cute. So that is our box for this month. I think that is absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to sit and spin some of this up. I really, really want to just stop right now and spin. And make sure and click like, comment, subscribe, notify, do all those YouTube-y things, especially if you want to see what I do with this, because there's a very good chance it will get spun soon and I will do something with it. And if I do, then you will see that pop up on my podcast, or I might do a separate video just for it, depending on what I do. So make sure and do all that. Don't forget, if you want to get a box yourself or you want to just go buy some of these different fibers or something, I have a discount code down below. I have an affiliate link down below. And so make sure and use that. And in case you do not already know, if you click an affiliate link and then something like Honey or whatever pops up and says, oh, I can give you coupon codes, as soon as you click on to Honey or whatever different one it is, it automatically takes you off of that person's affiliate link. They no longer get credit. Honey or whatever other link it is then gets credit. So just so you know, whether it's me or somebody else, that happens. But anyway, I think this box is absolutely amazing and I can't wait to play with it. So make sure and stay tuned, see what I do. And I hope you guys have an amazing week. And I'll see you Saturday morning for our usual video. So see y'all again soon. Bye.